Welcome to online maths class. Students, here we are going to discuss few problems from the exercise 3.1. Question number 4. Express the following in exponential form. See, 4 questions are given. The questions are in the form of repeated multiplication. We have to write the answer in exponential form. Students, listen the solution. First one, 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. The powers are 1. 6 power 1 into 6 power 1 into 6 power 1 into 6 power 1. Okay. Using the product rule, the base is equal means we can add the powers. Yes. So, the answer 6 power 4. Second also same like that. T power 1 into T power 1 equals T power 2. Third question is 5 into 5 into 7 into 7 into 7. 5 power 2 into 7 power 3. Fourth question 2 into 2 into A into A. 2 power 2 into A power 2. See here the last sum, the power is equal. So, we can multiply the base. Okay. So, we can write 2a the whole power 2. Question number 5. Express each of the following numbers using exponential form. See, 4 numbers are given. We have to write the numbers into exponential form. That means base and power. Solution for the first question. 512. 512 divided by 2, 256. 256 by 2, 128. 128 by 2, 64. 64 by 2, 32. 32 by 2, 16. 16 by 2, 8. 8 by 2, 4. 4 by 2, 1. So, we can write 512 equal to 2 power 9 because here 2 is repeated 9 times. So, the exponential form of 512 is what? 2 power 9. Second question 343. This number is divisible by 7. 343 by 7 equal to 49. 49 by 7 equal to 7. So, we can write 343 equal to 7 into 7 into 7, that means 7 power 3. Question number 8. Identify the greater number in each of the following. First question 6 power 3 or 3 power 6. We can write 6 power 3 as 6 into 6 into 6 equal to 216. 3 power 6 equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. When we multiply these numbers, we get 729. Comparing 729 and 216, 729 is greater. Therefore, 3 power 6 is greater. Second question, 5 power 3 or 3 power 5. 5 power 3 equal to 5 into 5 into 5 equal to 125. 3 power 5 equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 equal to 243. Comparing 243 and 125, 243 is greater number. That means 3 power 5 is greater. In the same way, the third question, 2 power 8 or 8 power 2. The answer for 2 power 8 is 256 and 8 power 2 is 64. Comparing 64 and 256, 256 is the greater number. Therefore, 2 power 8 is greater than 8 power 2. Question number 7. Simplify the following. 7 power 2 into 3 power 4. 7 power 2 we can write 7 into 7. 3 power 4, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 7 sevens are 49. Then 3 power 4 is 81. Product of that two numbers 3969. Second one, 3 square into 2 power 4. 3 square is 9. 2 power 4 is 16. 9 into 16 equal to 144. Third one, 5 square into 10 power 4. 5 square, 5 into 5 equal to 25. 10 square is 10,000. Product of that two numbers 2,50,000. Question number 8. Find the value of the following. First question, minus 4 the power 2. Minus 4 the power 2 we can write minus 1 power 2 into 4 power 2. See, minus 1 the whole square equal to 1 and 4 square equal to 16. 1 into 16 equal to 16. Okay, because the power is even number. Power is 2, that is even number. So the answer is plus 1. Okay. See, the second one is homework. The question is minus 3 into minus 2 the whole cube. Third question, minus 2 the power 3 into minus 10 the power 3. Minus 2 the power 3 we can write minus 1 the power 3 into 2 power 3. Then minus 1 the power 3 into 10 power 3. See, minus 1 power 3 and power 3, 2 times power 3 is there. So we can add the powers. Then 2 power 3 into 10 power 3. The power same. So we can multiply the base. 2 into 10 the power 3. Minus 1 the power 6 is plus 1. 2 into 10 equal to 20 power 3. 20 power 3 is 20 into 20 into 20 equal to 8,000. See, minus 1 the whole power n equal to 1 if n is the even number. N is how much? 6. Okay. Question number 10. If a equal to 3 and b equal to 2, then find the value of the following. Here, in the first question, a power b plus b power a. That means, in the place of a, you have to substitute the value 3 and the place of b, you have to substitute the value 2. Okay. Using that, find the answer. See the first question, a power b plus b power a. In the question, a equal to 3 and b equal to 2. Substitute the value in the place of a equal to 3 and the place of b equal to 2 means how we can write 3 power 2 plus 2 power 3. 3 power 2 was 3 into 3. 2 power 3 is 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. Now 3 3s are what? 9 plus 8 equal to 17. Next question. Second question, a power a minus b power b. Substitute the values. A power a means 3 power 3. B power b means 2 power 2. 3 power 3 we can write 3 into 3 into 3 minus 2 power 2, 2 into 2 equal to what? 27 minus 4. The answer is 23. Third question, a plus b the whole power b. A equal to 3 and b equal to 2. Okay. So we get 3 plus 2 the power 2. 3 plus 2 was 5. 5 power 2. 5 into 5 equal to 25. Fourth one, a minus b the whole power a. Substitute a equal to 3 and b equal to 2. We get 3 minus 2 the whole power 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 power 3 equal to 1. Question number 11. Simplify and express each of the following in exponential form. Simplify the given question and write the answers in exponential form. Solution for the first question. 4 power 5 into 4 power 2 into 4 power 4. Here we can use product rule. That means add the powers. Base equal. 4 is the base. So we can add the powers. Okay. 5 plus 2 plus 4 equal to what? 11. So the answer is 4 power 11. Second question. 3 power 2 into 3 power 3 the whole power 7. See, 3 is the base. So we can add the powers. 3 power 2 plus 3 equal to what? 3 power 5. Whole power 7. Here we can use the power rule. For that, multiply 5 into 7 equal to 35. 3 power 35. Third question. 5 power 2 into 5 power 8 divided by 5 power 5. Here add the powers. 2 plus 8 equal to 10. So 5 power 10 divided by 5 power 5. Here we can use the quotient rule. For that, subtract the powers. 5 power 10 minus 5 equal to 5 power 5. Question number 4. 2 power 0 into 3 power 0 into 4 power 0. Say any number, the power 0 value is 1. Okay. So 2 into 3 into 4, that is 24 power 0, the value is 1. Because any number, the power 0 equal to 1. Question number 5. 4 power 5 into a power 8 into b power 3 divided by 4 power 3 into a power 5 into b power 2. Using quotient rule, we can subtract the powers of 4 and powers of a and powers of 1. 4 power 5 minus 3 into a power 8 minus 5 into b power 3 minus 2. So what we get? 4 power 2 into a power 3 into b power 1. See, 4 power 2 means we can write 4 into 4, 16. 16 a cube b is the right answer for this sum. Homework of this session is objective type questions from the exercise 3.1, 5th sum, 3rd and 4th, 8th one, 2nd sum and 9th one.